So this train car was originally an Amtrak car, and then it was bought by Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus, and Midwest came about this train car about a decade ago in major need of roof repair. So it's really easy to repair the roof when we take it off and not put it back on.
The history about the Pullman cars, they ripped out the original interior of the car and put in a bunch of little compartments in there with cheap plywood walls, basically for the circus actors to have a place to stay while they were traveling from town to town. So we spent the last 7 months gutting the inside of the car out, and today we'll be cutting the roof off so that we can make an open air car. Because there's so much stuff missing out of the car, it's senseless to try to restore it as that. We'd rather make it more of a scenic railroad type car where you can actually stand outside in the car looking at the scenery. I thought that would be a great idea to have one around here for us like that.
The FlexCut 125 is a very powerful unit, and cutting in interrupted cuts and tight spaces, this thing, it blows through just about any type of steel you put it up against, and it really has no problem just making metal completely liquid and moving it out of your way so that you can do what you need to do. It makes everything much simpler. The ability to have the extendable reach wands is absolutely amazing. It's a game changer. You don't have to get up on the man lift as much, and you don't have to put yourself in more dangerous situations than as needed. So when you can cut on the ground and not have to worry about it, it's a lot easier for everybody involved. Well, right now it's middle of December. Some snow's melting around us. It's been cold, but the Lincoln equipment has just pushed through and had no problem doing what it was designed to do. We're standing out here in the middle of a train yard, and we're dragging this thing around through the mud and the crud, and it just sits there and takes more. With the wonderful tools that Lincoln has allowed me to use, really don't think that there's anything we can't handle. The equipment is so robust and strong that you don't have to worry about all the maintenance issues. You don't have to worry about it not performing the way it's supposed to perform. It just, every time you plug it in, you turn it on, it's gonna work. That makes moving metal a lot easier, especially when the equipment's working properly all the time.